motherfucker, man, what the fuck you doing walking on my damn carpet? Don't you see me talking about back in the...
What it do, crew? We got Uncle Rich. Hold on. Uncle Rich! He got Uncle Rich, man. I guess, I don't know. I just be reacting to, I'm about to start reacting to all Uncle Rich videos. Even if they are 1 minute long, 2 minutes long, 3 minutes long, I'm reacting to all of them because this nigga funny as hell. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new, you know what to do. Let's get right into it.
You motherfucker, man, what the fuck you doing walking on my damn carpet? Don't you see me talking about back in the floor? What the fuck wrong with you?
I can't hear you. If you turn it off, I can hear you.
What the fuck you walk on the damn carpet for? You see me sitting here back in the fucking floor.
What do you mean?
I'm back in the floor. You walking all over my shit before I can get it back up.
Bro, every video, bro, the first few seconds, bro, that shit, bro.
It ain't clean as I want it to be. Why you couldn't have walked on the damn floor there? You all up here on the fucking carpet. What the fuck wrong with you, you bitch?
My bad, man.
My bad, my ass just don't do it no damn more.
All right, my bad.
This nigga is a whole comedian, bro. What the fuck?
Come to the store and do my damn job. Let you all
Hold on, bro. He can't be from New Jersey, bro. Somebody come in my video say he from New Jersey. Nah, he for sure from the South, bro. He can't be from no damn New Jersey.
Your ass supposed to be back there.
I'm trying to go outside for a fresh.
Oh, you supposed to be back there.
I'm trying to go outside for a fresh air. Okay, she walked on your carpet.
That's all right.
He let her down.
She was coming in, but you was in here saying they doing.
So.
But that's Uncle Rich, man. If you like that video, make sure you like and comment. New to the channel, make sure you like and comment, subscribe. If you're not new, you know what to do. And I'm out, man. Peace.